So definitely use this document. It's provided by the ARRT, which is the licensing body that gives us our registry to take, and once we've passed it, gives us our credentials and our actual license. What they do is let us basically know what kinds of things to expect on that registry. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and scroll down all the way to the last portion of the exam content, which is going to be procedures. And we can see it's quite a lot of information, but once we get here on this page, which is about procedures, we can see that within procedures is going to be anatomy, including some physiology and basic pathology and related terminology. So in this class, anatomy and physiology, we'll go over that anatomy, the physiology, and then a little bit of medical terminology. Now, we'll also go into all of these different things. So, for example, we start with chest anatomy, and we go into sternoclavicular joints. We get to the ribs and sternum a little bit later, but we can look at a chest x-ray basically and pick out all the anatomy of interest on a chest x-ray. We'll also get to the lower extremities and the upper extremities in Module 2 and so on. So definitely use this document to your advantage.